That's right.
Yeah.
So this being our main topic here, the importance of having a food journal. Many times that we have indigestion or digestion issues in general, bowel movements, it can lead anywhere from mood, emotion, sleep, and of course what we're talking about here is like breakouts or skin care in general.
Skin conditions.
That's right. So when people come to us and they're like, oh, I think I have this allergy, or what do I do about this, or this food is bothering me, what's the first thing that we say?
Food journal.
Start a food journal. And food journal is more of a generalization. We like to call it a success journal. A success journal being something that you pay, I think, like for me, I feel like it's yours. Like you carry it around, you write in it how you feel, the food, the nutrition, the emotions, like you track everything because everything can be related to what you're putting in your body.
Yeah, and it's important to know that we have to track for an extended period of time. I think, well, we track our food all the time, but you need to be tracking for a couple of months probably, or at least a month.
Yeah, well, start for 21 days to 30 days.
Yeah.
It'd be a good start. And then from there you can take it on for a couple other months. We feel, and it sounds like a lot of work, but we feel like if you're taking your health into your own hands, like we all should, and you're tracking your food and you have serious issues, whether that be digestive or other, that we should be tracking, we should understand what food does to us. Because what food does to me would be much different than what food does to you.
That's right.
So we all need to know. It's very difficult when someone writes in and says, hey, this is happening to me. We're like, oh, have you tried to track your food? No.
No.
Have you tried a food journal? No.
No. Another I guess reason that food journaling is so important is for accountability purposes as well, because if we are just eating throughout the day, it's hard to know exactly what we're putting in our body. At the end of the day, sometimes we can't recall.
Right.
So like if we're somebody that needs to pay attention to portion sizes or sweet stuff, or just tracking in general what we're eating throughout the day, it helps a lot.
Yeah. I think you said accountability, right? I missed that. I'm not sure if everyone caught that, but the accountability aspect of writing down and knowing exactly what you're putting in your body, that makes a big difference. If you want to take that up a step a notch, show that to someone else. It could be a friend, a relative, a coach. And if you write it down, we hear it all the time when people say, oh, I didn't eat that because I knew I had to write it down, and then I knew you were going to read it, so I just didn't eat it.
I didn't eat it.
So that's going to make a big difference as well.
That's right. So if you're not food journaling, do it.
That's right, get yourself a success journal and get on it.